Hello students, we are continuing the video series of planning in sports, and in today's video I will tell you about how to make fixture for combination tournament. As you all know, combination tournament means when there is a use of two different methods of tournament for conducting one competition, then it's called as combination tournament. So we have four types of combination tournaments, like first is knockout come knockout, second is league come league, third is knockout come league, and fourth is league come knockout. So suppose if we have to conduct any kind of tournament out of these four, then how we can draw fixture for that? There is a need of knowledge for making fixtures for knockout and league, because here you all know there is use of both, only two coins, either knockout or league. So if you know the process of making knockout fixture and league fixture, then very easily you able to make a combination tournament fixture. So let's start, and here in this video I will demonstrate you by making a fixture for knockout come league tournament. Okay, so before making a fixture, just mention, suppose there is a question in your paper, make a combination fixture for 12 teams. So just mention on the top before making, just mention that you are making a combination fixture for or according knockout come league. So just mention this, by which combination method you are making that fixture. So I mentioned that I am making a fixture of 12 teams by following knockout come league method. So here also, students, first we will draw a knockout fixture, then the top 4 teams. So here n is 12, by will be, number of by will be 4. So make it 12, divide by 6, by 4 by's, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Round 1, round 2, round 2, then round 3, Here you got 4 teams. Now suppose A, B, C and D are the 4 teams. So just write that. Let A, B, C, D are the top, top 4 teams after finishing league rounds, after finishing knockout rounds, knockout rounds. So if you mention this, that A, B, C, D are the 4 teams, and after finishing you got the 4 teams which are qualified for the final round, which will be conducted by league basis. So this is the knockout fixture. Then just you have to draw a fixture of league for 4 teams which are A, B, C, D. So Now I am drawing a fixture through staircase method. So I will write that staircase method for drawing league fixture. I will write this in my exam. So you all just take care of these things. Okay, students? So A. So A will play with B, C and D. Then B, C and D. Now C will play with D. So this much easy it is. Your combination fixture is ready, and at last you have to write the winner. Just write like this here. Winner will be decided by British method, and if possible just write the formula of British method. This way you can get full marks for combination fixtures, students. So this is very easy. Hope you like the video. Hope you are enjoying the method of teaching, and I request you all to please subscribe my channel, share, like and comment. Thanks for watching.